So what's up guys, welcome to CSS class, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make use of the CSS3 generator. Okay, so directly go to the to your favorite web browser and type out CSS3 generator, and don't click on this first tab, click on the second tab which says css3gen.com, and it will be taking you to this website where you could generate the CSS code for any element. Okay, so now let me show you how to generate the shadow for a box. So click on this box shadow tab, and it will be taking you to this page, and now this is the box which is shown over here. Okay, so in which direction you want to give the shadow, you have to choose that first. Okay, so just change this direction in whatever direction that you want to change. Okay, so now let me just keep it over here only, or you could directly enter the value. Okay, no issues with that. And then comes the distance. Okay, so just change this distance. uh, Let me just keep it over here only, and then comes the opacity. Okay, so how much blurrier you want, I will change this value to this point. And next comes the RGB. Okay, I've told you all in the previous class how to get the RGB values, or you could put that RGB value over here, so that the color of this shadow is changing, or you could slide this thing up and down, and you could adjust the shadow color. Okay, and this is the opacity, how opaque you want, and this is the blurriness. Okay, and let me just keep this value over here only, and let me change this to little bit green. Okay, this much is fine. Okay, so now after applying all these things, this code has been generated. Okay, so this is the code for the shadow. Now what I'll do is I will go to my page. This is the code which I'm making use from the previous class. So this is the output of that code. Okay, so now let me show you how to add that shadow. So now what I'll do is I will apply that shadow on this outer division. So I will go to this outer division, and I will give the class. Okay, I will give class as C1, and in this style, just above the closing tag of style tag, I will say div dot C1, and I will be putting that generated code, the code which has been generated over here. I will copy this code, and I will put it inside over here. Okay, and if I'm just saving this with Control plus S and going to my page and refreshing, then this is the shadow what I'm getting. Okay, so now if suppose I want to give the shadow to this first paragraph, then I could do that as well. So the only thing that I have to do over here is I just have to remove this div. Okay, I just need to keep this dot c1, and I want to give this class c1 to this first paragraph. Okay, so initially this is how it was. Now I'll be giving a little bit of space, and I will give c1 over here, C1. Okay, so you could make use of the multiple classes for one element. Now this particular element P1, paragraph P, first paragraph is making use of the class P1 and class C1 as well. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will save this with Control plus S, and I will come over here and refresh. Now these all properties which were applied to this outer division has been applied to this first paragraph as well. If I want to apply this property to the second paragraph, then I'll be giving a little bit of space, and I will say C1 over here also. Okay, so I will save this now, and I will come and refresh, and now that same property has been applied to this second paragraph. Okay, so this is how you could make use of the concept of the property, and you could give the shadow to the multiple elements. Thanks for watching.